pretty sure that's some type of lacewing. Their larvae are really good at eating bad bugs like aphids and anything else that'll eat on your plants. Right here is butterfly eggs. 99% sure. And these are all on my sunflower leaves right now. I think this is the silvery checker spot or some such butterfly. These are tree hoppers, specifically the keeled tree hoppers, K-E-E-L-E-D. And these ones, I believe, are at different stages of their nymph stage. I call them, especially the adults, which I'll show you in a minute, I call them mohawk bugs. Because from the side, they look like they have mohawks. And these little guys kind of look, I call them little alligator babies. They're literally everywhere on all sunflowers, on the leaves. Here is another batch of the keeled tree hoppers. They're freaking out a little because it's midnight and I got lights on them. And that white one right there literally just molted, and that's why it's so light. That's why it looks white. Oh, I think it might have molted into an adult. See its little red eye? I'm trying to hold still. So I'm not sure if the white one actually did molt into an adult or if it's just in the last phase of its nymph stage. But it kind of looks like an adult from the side here. It's too soon to tell because it's so light colored.